Hello, Michaela.
Hi.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Good. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm really excited.
Oh, are you nervous? Don't be nervous. You guys will do great.
Yeah. I have stage fright.
Don't worry. Like we say, just pick one person to look at and you'll be okay. Hi, Julie. How are you feeling? Nervous? Don't be nervous. You guys will be okay. You're excited too? Yeah, we are too.
Hi.
Hi, Lonnie. How are you feeling?
I'm excited, but a little bit nervous.
Don't be nervous. You guys will be okay. Hi, Christina. How are you feeling?
I'm a little nervous.
Don't be nervous. You guys will be okay. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like it's gonna be cold that day.
It is. That's why we're going to dress warmly.
Yeah, even though we want to.
Yeah. But it'll be okay.
Who are we? NCN! Who are we? 蔡金嘉!
It's the day before the performance. How do you feel?
I'm very excited.
Okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how excited?
Like 9.
Okay. Hi, Michaela. How do you feel?
I feel scared.
Okay, why?
I don't know. It's just being on stage, I guess.
Don't worry, you got this. On a 1 to 10.
Maybe like 1 from being like
1 be like, you're so terrified, you're gonna poop in your pants. And 10 like, wow, if we competed, you'd be like, bomb ready.
I say a 5. I'm like in between.
You got this, don't worry. Lonnie and Christina, are you guys, how excited are you guys?
I'm excited.
Or how do you guys feel? You excited?
Yeah, I'm very excited. I'm nervously excited.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you guys feel of how excited or prepared or whatever the case is?
For excited, I'm like a 8, 9.
Okay.
For prepared, I feel like 8.5.
Okay.
I feel like I'm slightly prepared, so I'll give it a good 8.
Okay.
And then for excited, I'll give it a good 8.5.
Wow, okay, solid answers. Alright, we are right before performance. How do you guys feel?
A little bit nervous, but really exciting.
Okay. How do you feel, Christina?
Nervously excited.
Okay. We are right before performance. How do you feel?
Nervous.
You guys got this. Don't worry.
Okay, so it's after post performance. How do you guys feel you guys did?
I think we did good, but I feel like me and myself could have done better.
Okay, 2 over here.
I can agree with Lonnie said. I feel like I could have done way better, especially at the end when I lost that.
That's okay. Michaela?
Yeah, I say the same thing too.
That's okay. So how do you guys feel? You guys feel like just kidding, ignore that. You guys did a good job.
Hi guys, this is Julie Lore before the performance. This is Julie Lore after the performance.
This is Milani Lee before the performance. Milani Lee after home.
This is Christina Shell before the performance.
It's Christina after the performance. Oh my gosh.
Hi, this is Michaela Tao before the performance.
I'm Michaela, and this is me after the performance.
It's literally right before the performance. How do you guys feel?
Oh my gosh. Hella nervous.
Hella nervous? Okay. Julie?
I don't know.
Okay.
Excited.
Nervous. Nervous.
Nervous. Don't worry, you guys got this, okay?
They record you from the back.
Yeah, I told you guys that.
No, what connected to Southbridge.
Southbridge?
Have you been to Southbridge?
No.
Oh, yeah, you're gonna have to go. Okay, my two friends. Tomorrow is our last performance. How do you guys feel about performing a new song? And yeah.
I feel confident in our song, but kind of sad because our last performance.
Me too.
Yeah, I can agree with it. I feel like this song, I might put my all into it, but then I'm sad that it's the last one.
Me too. What did Killa, how do you feel?
I feel happy.
Happy?
Yes. It's a little sad that this will be our last song. I'm proud of us so far.
Yes, me too. I'm very proud of you guys. Hi.
We're literally seconds away from performing.
I'm excited.
Excited? How do you feel?
Excited and nervous. Excited. Excited.
Awesome.
太現在內線嘅女冇得俾嘥我。
You did.
I did pretty good. I put a lot of confidence. I think my mascara was moving a lot.
Yeah.
I feel pretty good.
pretty good.
I wasn't as nervous. So.
That's good. That's good.
I feel pretty good.
Good. Okay, I thought you guys did pretty good from the back too. Okay, so good job.
Who are we? NCN. Who are we? 在进站。
Yay! All right, good job, girls.
You're my one in a million. It's like some